this was a vow prepared for 7 long years. When I thought that God doesn't listen to me, or if He existed, His answer for me was not yes, but His answer for me was to wait.
Will you, Alex, take Yen to love and respect her, to lead and provide for her, in health, in sickness, in prosperity, adversity, leaving all others, to keep yourself only for her, as long as you both shall live?
I do, Pastor.
Tell Yen.
I do, Pastor.
Tell Yen.
I do. Yes.
I will never let you fall. I'll stand up for you forever. I'll be there for you through it all. Even if 7 years sent me to heaven.
Kahit sobrang ngarag na yung mga times like, diba, for the past 2 days, like the wedding, hindi mo pinakita sa akin na nag-irita ka. Well, there are times.
And seasons are changing and waves are crashing.
Thank you for being my Salingawi dancer. Thank you for being my cheerleader. More than a husband, thank you for being a best friend.
I'll be the one. I will never let you fall. I'll stand up for you forever. I'll be there for you through it all. Even if 7 years sent me to heaven. 'Cause you're my true love, my whole heart. Please don't throw that away.
Nung sinabi mo sa akin na pag sinagot kita, na forever mo kong liligawan, you did, and you never failed. Because every day in my life, you always make me feel na nililigawan mo pa din ako. Thank you for being my Superman. To the times na I feel weak, ikaw yung strong. Pag maraming times sasabi ko hindi ko kaya, ikaw yung nagsasabing kaya mo.
I promise to you that I will love you for the rest of my life, as long as I breathe, as long as I wake up.
I love you.